This is a piston. I'm not sure if it's been built correctly. All over the place, the way it looks like. It's a very small engine. Cylinder head. Flywheel, guys. I must say it's quite small. Very nice. This is the oil tank. Look, I'll take it off and have a look properly. Anyway, it's printed. Head gasket. This is the front crank. This is the air inlet. Now you got one of these, but you can also have what they call a bottle one, where a bottle can just screw on. I haven't printed that one, but maybe I will, just for the sake of trying it. This is the other side, goes on top. Hi everyone. So I wanted to build this engine. This is a simple core air engine without push rod by Axel. I will leave a link below. I think I watched his video, it's quite good, and he built this engine up. Since other people do the same thing, I don't know who invented this in the first place, but I wanted to build this engine. So this is it. These are the parts here. This is the piston and flywheel. Now flywheel here has rods coming out, bolts coming out. These I bought the bearings. I think it's 6 or 8 bearings, and they go on like that. And so the bearings are there. I had to file quite a bit of this to, well, you know, use the emery cloth to do that. This screw goes on nicely. He says M3 screw by 10. So push rod goes in nicely there. It wasn't, but I had to really file and do them things. So everything we have to file these to make this fit, file that to make that fit, etc. So I'm going to put it together and see how it works. But they use a bottle to do the engine, because what happens is that these things break very easily with a high pressure of air. So instead of M3 bolts, I bought some M2 ones because M3 one kept breaking these things here. So I bought M2 just to hold it down a bit. I put this on, it's pretty heavy. I'm not sure if it's going to work, and it's like flimsy a little bit, so I'm not sure. So we'll see how it goes. And got the bearing here somewhere. Okay, found a bearing. Got a bearing here. So if I put it like this, try it there. I'll put my compressor on. I don't like this flimsiness here, but let's see how it goes. Oh, I'm trying to hold it and turn it at the same time. Oh wow, did you see that work then? Oh my god. You see that? But that's a good one. There you go, guys. That's a good one. There you go. It's working. Yes, it's working. I'm quite pleased with that. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm happy with that. Do you see it working then? There you go, it's working. Yeah guys, so this is a very good design. I like the design. It's totally different from anything I've ever done. It's got a push rod in there which got two O-rings in. So the bottom O-ring, when it opens like that, when it closes underneath, it opens the top one to let the air in, and the top one closes and the bottom one should push the piston down. Unfortunately, mine didn't work as good as it's supposed to work, because if it worked properly, it would have continuously gone down. But when I did that, it did spin a little bit more than my spin with my hand. And sometimes if you just hold it in the right position, it will do that. So yeah, it would have worked great if it all went according to plan. So yes, I think it's a good design. If anybody else does it out there, please let me know if there's an improvement, and maybe I can get this one going continuously. They do put a bottle here where you can put the air through the bottle and it would work as well. Some people put balloon on and that works, but that's the best I can do. Can't do no more. I have spent a lot of time with this. A lot of things break and I have to rebuild and fix again. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and take care.